Thanks for watching another story about road rage.
An NYPD officer is facing charges including attempted murder after a shooting in New Jersey. The incident happened on May 17th in Voorhees Township in Camden County. Police responded to a multi-vehicle crash and found one of the drivers had been shot. They believe it may be a case of road rage. Investigators say Hugh Tran was identified as the suspected shooter. Ballistics evidence was linked to his NYPD weapon. The wounded driver remains hospitalized.
The police officer's road rage.
We begin this
He does
afternoon
not
with an
represent
NYPD
all the great
officer
police
now
officers.
charged in a road rage shooting in New Jersey. He was off duty at the time, but investigators say he used his service weapon in the attack. And good afternoon to you. I'm Liz Chow.
And I'm Lauren Glassberg. David is off today, and the officer surrendered today after the incident 3 weeks ago. He's now facing attempted murder charges.
Eyewitness News reporter Janice Yu is live in lower Manhattan with the details. Janice.
Liz and Lauren, that officer Hugh Tran waived his right to an extradition hearing, meaning he waived the right to that hearing. So he will be transferred to custody to the Camden County Prosecutor's Office, and that we're told could happen at any moment later this evening. Now, the 27-year-old is charged with attempted murder, aggravated assault, and possession of a weapon for an unlawful purpose. Now, authorities say Tran shot a driver during an apparent road rage incident last month in Voorhees Township in southern New Jersey. Now, on May 17th, officers responded to a multi-vehicle crash and found a 30-year-old driver who had been shot. Now, authorities say Tran shot the man and caused him to drive into oncoming traffic and therefore hitting another driver. Camden County prosecutors and Voorhees Township police were able to ID Tran as the suspect and say he used his department-issued gun. The driver taken to the hospital, and he's still there 3 weeks later. Now, Tran joined the NYPD in February of 2021, and he had been assigned to the social media unit with the public information unit since last year. Now, Tran, we're told, has been suspended without pay, which is department protocol in situations like this. Again, Tran waiting to be taken to Camden County anytime here in the next several hours. Live in Lower Manhattan, Janice Yu, Channel 7 Eyewitness News.